Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a DIY rose wall. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna tell you in just a few seconds what you're going to need for this project. So here I've linked 50 pieces of rose buds that you can get from Amazon for about $15. And it saves you a lot of money and a lot of time. You're just going to also need for this project a foam poster board, and that's really it. So to get started, you want to remove your roses from the packaging. You want to next measure out an even amount of space between each rose on your poster board. My poster board, as you can see, had the already pre-measured out squares. So I did about 2 squares of space per rose. So I started on the border of my poster and then continued to fill in the outside of my poster before then moving on to filling in the center. So this wall took me about a week or so to make. Just give yourself a lot of time and be patient. It is a time-consuming project. So this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.